SBA Publications.
Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are doing very well at your homes. I am Vedika here with another chapter of literature. That is our chapter number 7. And the name of our chapter is Kindness of a Stranger, which is very rare in these days. Let us start with the reading. It was a bitter cold evening in Shimla many years ago. So, this story is about Shimla and it is one evening that is very cold. So, the old man's beard was glazed by winter's frost while he waited for a ride across the river. An old man is waiting for a ride to cross the river. Okay? So, his beard is glazed with winter's frost. That means जो ठंड से जो ओस पड़ती है, जो फ्रॉस्ट होता है, his beard is glazed with it. The wait seemed endless. His body became stiff from the frigid north wind. So the wait seemed endless means there was no one to help him. And his body was very stiff from the cold. जब हमें ठंड लगती है तो हमारी बॉडी कैसी हो जाती है, बिल्कुल stiff हो जाती है. It hardens. That happened with the old man's body, whose body is much weaker as compared to ours. He heard the faint, steady rhythm of approaching hooves galloping along the frozen path. Anxiously he watched as several horsemen rounded the bend. He let the first one pass by without an effort to get his attention. One by one, all passed. Now, what happened? He is listening to some steady rhythm of approaching hooves. Hooves की sound कौन सी sound होती है? When horses are moving, their hooves make some sound. Okay, so here he can see some horsemen are passing by, but he does not try to approach the first one because he is very tired. He does not try to approach him for help. One by one all passed. ऐसे करते करते सारे horsemen वहाँ से चले जाते हैं. Finally, the last rider rode the spot where the old man sat like a show statue. As this one drew near, the old man caught the rider's eye. Now, when the last rider was passing by, जब last horse rider वहाँ से जा रहा था, he passed from the way where the old man was sitting. Now, where he was sitting, he looked like a statue. As I already told you, his body was very stiff with the cold. So, he seemed like a statue. जैसे जैसे वो rider उनके पास आता है, he catches the old man catches his eye. That means his attention. He caught his attention and said, "Would you give an old man a ride to the other side? It doesn't appear to be an easy way by foot." So, the old man is asking for help from the rider. "Can you help me to reach the other side?" Now, reining his horse, the rider replied, "Sure, sir," seeing the old man was unable to lift who was half-frozen body from the ground. The horseman dismounted and helped the old man onto the horse. Now, as the rider agreed to help him, he saw that old man was unable to lift his body now. Why? Because it was very cold and the old man was very weak to handle his own body at that time. So the rider dismounts the horse. That means वो अपने horse से उतरता है and helps the old man to climb up the horse. The horseman took the old man not first across the river but to the destination which was just a few miles away. तो वो horseman ना ही सिर्फ उसको river cross कराता है but उसको उसकी destination तक पहुंचा देता है. As they neared the tiny but cozy cottage, the horseman's curiosity caused him to inquire, "Sir, I noticed that you let several other riders pass by without making an effort to secure a ride. Then I came up and you immediately asked me for a ride. I am curious, why on such a bitter winter night you would wait and ask the last rider, what if I had refused and left you there? So, when they were about to reach the cottage of the old man, the rider inquires him. राइडर उनसे क्वेश्चन करता है कि सर, मैंने नोटिस करा कि आप इतनी देर जब वेट कर रहे थे वहाँ से काफ़ी सारे राइडर्स चले गए, आपने किसी और से हेल्प क्यों नहीं मांगी? मैं जो कि एक लास्ट राइडर था, आपने मुझसे ही हेल्प मांगी। अगर मैं भी आपको मना कर देता तो आप क्या करते? The old man lowered himself slowly down from the horse, looked the rider straight in the eyes, and replied, I've been around these here parts for some time. I reckon I know people pretty good. The old timer continued. I looked into the eyes of the other riders and immediately saw there was no concern for my situation. Now, the old man is replying very calmly that I looked into the eyes of every rider. मैंने सारे riders की आँखों में देखा. And as I am old enough, I am able to know that the person is not ready to help me in that situation. It would have been useless even to ask them for a ride. But when I looked into your eyes, kindness and compassion were evident. So the old man is saying कि ऐसे लोगों से हेल्प मांगना बिल्कुल यूजलेस होता, पर जब मैंने तुम्हारी आंखों में देखा तो मुझे एक काइंडनेस दिखी, एक कंपैशन दिखा, दया भाव दिखा. I knew then and there that your gentle spirit would welcome the opportunity to give me assistance in my time of need. So the old man is saying कि मैं तभी समझ गया कि आपका जो जेंटल हार्ट है, आपका जो काइंड हार्ट है, वो मुझे हेल्प करने से मना नहीं करेगा, वो भी ऐसे सिचुएशन में. Those heartwarming comments touched the horseman deeply. I am most grateful for what you have said, he told the old man. So, ये सब बातें सुन के हॉर्समैन का हार्ट मेल्ट हो जाता है एंड ही सेज दैट आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल, यानी कि मैं शुक्रगुजार हूँ फॉर वट यू हैव सेड, जो भी आपने कहा उसके लिए. May I never get too busy in my own affairs that I fail to respond to the need of others with kindness and compassion. Then he makes a wish that मैं कभी इतना busy ना हूँ कि मैं किसी नीडी की हेल्प ना कर पाऊँ. With that, the horseman turned his horse around and made his way back to his cottage. ऐसा कह के horseman अपने cottage के लिए वापस निकल जाता है. So that was a very interesting story filled with kindness and so much compassion and an experience of an old man. So I hope you understood the story very well and you got a lesson too, that you should never be that busy that you cannot help a person who is in need. So with that, let us begin the vocabulary. Numb. Numb means loss of sensation. जब ठंड होती है तो हमारी बॉडी में सेंसेशंस बंद हो जाती हैं and our body feels numb. That's the word for that. Rhythm. Rhythm means repeated pattern. Same pattern जब repeat होता है, it becomes a rhythm. Curiosity. Curiosity means eagerness, एक excitedness, कुछ जानने की इच्छा होना. Reining means guiding horse by pulling its reins. Horse is tied with reins, and when you have to guide a horse for his directions, the horseman pulls its reins. Alright? Reckon. Reckon means be of the opinion. किसी opinion को समझना है, किसी opinion को लेके चलना is to reckon. Compassion. Compassion means sympathetic. किसी के लिए दया भाव रखना. Okay, that is compassion. So that was your chapter and vocabulary, and now you have this exercise part. I hope on the basis of the chapter you can do it very nicely. So you practice all this and I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Bye bye.